Omron BP monitor. That was a sharp cut. Something. $1,699 with discount. Clinically validated, made in Japan, technology, yada yada. So, box seems pretty new. Made in Vietnam, that's good. Kyoto headquarters. HE-7124, 3 years warranty. You have to submit and they repair. No seal. This is the main pad, and this is the meter. This is warranty card, and install the app, scan the QR code, and then you can keep a record of all your readings. And these are conditions. Check. So four batteries. Now we need to insert the meter here. They provided 4 batteries.
बैटरी लगा है इसमें अरे बैटरी लगा